A worldwide increase in the demand for safe, reliable, clean energy has created a need for innovative ways to help manage nuclear power plant operational processes. For the past 20 years, ISEC has helped meet the needs of nuclear power plants worldwide by becoming a leader in nuclear power plant process control surveillance. Being able to see a trend within an industry is one thing, but being able to accommodate an entire industry by constantly introducing new and better technologies is where the real challenge lies. We have seen a dramatic increase in nuclear power plants' utility factors over the past 20 years. These increases are due to factors such as longer operational cycles, shorter outage periods, and the introduction of new technologies within plant process areas, such as process surveillance systems from ISEC. ISEC is the only company that develops and provides turnkey process surveillance systems that have been proven to reduce unplanned outages and scrams by at least 24 hours per reactor per year. The development of ISEC products has really been a labor of love. We spent the past 20 years developing these products specifically for nuclear power plants. In fact, it was the nuclear industry who approached us and asked for these specific products. We simply listened to what they were saying. By having a functioning process surveillance system installed, one that actually allows you to see your internal processes in great detail, you give your operators a great deal of control within containment areas and allow them to make much more informed decisions. It's like having an entire inspection team physically present within containment during operations. Based on demands from the nuclear industry, we developed two products specifically for use within the nuclear industry. That's our AVISS, our Audio-Visual Information Surveillance System, and our RADCAM, our Radiation Tolerant Camera. With our AVISS system, we're able to integrate containment area cameras, physical security cameras throughout the plant, both digital and IP, to give the operators better control over all the surveyed areas. This, combined with the ability to integrate plant schematics directly into the software, allows operators to know not only what is happening, but where it's happening. Within containment, you're able to detect small steam, water, or oil leaks. You can even record these and compare them over time to see if the condition is staying the same or if it's getting worse. This allows you to make a better judgment call as to whether you need to lower production, stop production, or continue as normal. When you combine this with the optional audio functionality, you're able to get a crystal clear picture as to what's happening within your surroundings. During the developmental phase of the RADCAM, we found that neutron radiation has a greater effect on electronics within containment than gamma radiation. Gamma radiation also has an effect, but by combining both gamma and neutron protection within the RADCAM, we were able to withstand a full production cycle of 24 months while the camera was still working properly. When you combine the RADCAM radiation tolerant camera with our AVISS system, you increase the radiation tolerance level dramatically, and you end up with the most radiation tolerant system on the market today. Forsmark Nuclear Power Plant was the first client to purchase a complete process surveillance system from ISEC. This system has been installed for over 15 years now, and they've enjoyed an average availability rate of over 99%. Currently, there are 17 RADCAM cameras installed within each of their 3 reactors, along with IVS 3000 video matrices and the complete AVISS video management software suite. During the spring of 2011, we were scheduled to deliver 17 of our RADCAM radiation-tolerant cameras to Forsmark Nuclear Power Plant. This was the same time that the earthquake and resulting tsunami took place in Japan. We spoke with Forsmark and asked them if we could divert our cameras to Fukushima, where the cameras are still in use today, aiding in the recovery and cleanup efforts. The success of the project at Forsmark has become well known throughout the region. In fact, we have our equipment installed in every nuclear power plant in Sweden, and that's great news for ISEC. Return on investment is an important issue to consider when either upgrading an existing process surveillance system or when investing in a new system. In every instance where a complete process surveillance system from ISEC has been installed, the return on investment for the complete system has been less than 1 year. You can rest assured that a process surveillance system from ISEC is a sound investment. In fact, the only thing to consider is how much it will cost you not to have our system installed. We here at ISEC take pride in what we do. There's a great deal of satisfaction in knowing that the products that you produce make a safer and more productive process.